Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see a card writing on Friendship Day. So let's start. My dear friend, happy Friendship Day to you. I'm so lucky to have a friend like you. You always make me smile and laugh. I feel so blessed and happy to have a friend like you. Dear friend, you are everything that a true friend can be. You are the brightness to my smile. You are the light in the dark. You are the hope when I am lost. You are not just a best friend but also a brother to me. I may not express my feelings, but I do care a lot for my best friend. Your friendship encourages me every day. Thank you for being such a great friend. Hope you all understand. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.